Today I got my Bentgo 3-compartment container. Great for food prep. I'm looking for easy ways to store my food. It's microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and BPA free. We love that. And they said I could reuse it up to 10 times. So I'm just going to open it up for you guys. Can't wait to use these. These are going to help out tremendously during the week when I want to just make some food, store it away, put it in the fridge, come back to it when I'm ready for it. Or even when I'm making my lunch for my kids. Open this up. And it's a 20-piece set. So I'm sure that means that it comes with 10 tops and 10 bowls. So I'm just going to open this up with you guys, show you how it's set up. And the tops are nice and pretty sturdy. Got the Bentgo on the label. 10 tops. And let's get down to the bottom. I have the 10 containers. I picked a lilac color. Thought that would be really cute. So it has the measurements in the bottom, which is awesome. It has 1 cup, 1 cup, and 2 cups. So these are super cute. Love these. I'm going to be using these a lot. And I'll probably reorder as well. You guys have a great day.
I love it. You can see it's already used. I love how it tells you like the amount that you could put in here. As for me to meal prep. This is the top. Going in one hand. No struggles. Easy. Pull it up. Doing everything with one hand. There you go. See?
That was the plan, and it worked. But did it work? And raised interest rates hoping that would slow the economy and that would bring price growth, inflation back down to earth. And largely that has been. But GDP has slowed to zero, and the momentum is moving in all the wrong direction. Inflation is now down to 2%. But the bank seems increasingly worried that it might actually fall below that 2% target and push the economy into recession-like territory. This is an authority for saying the speed of it.
Make sure it's extra tight. I don't think that's very leak-proof.
Okay, so the juices would come out of it.
Okay, so here's the Bentgo bowls. Nice, perfect size, perfect portion, and the top stays on perfectly. Like you see, you can hear it opening up. You actually have to put a little force on it. So I guess they did fix the tops, and you know it's good. Great buy.
Just opened these today and look. Cool. All I did was put the lid on it. Brand new, out of the box. Worked. Cool.